What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to customize, how to organize the order and the amount of widgets or the layout of the widgets into the footer section using Astra WordPress theme. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us, okay? After this, enter in on your browser address bar with your domain plus wp-admin and enter with login credentials so you can access the WordPress dashboard. On dashboard, review the left side of menus, hover mouse over appearance and hit the sub-menu Customize. Right here in Customize, wait while the page loads and click onto the option called Footer. This is gonna move you to the footer section, and right here you can see a couple of widgets, okay? You can see the design of the widget in the case that you want. You can see the widget itself, you can change the block in the case that you want, but all you have to do to move this widget position is just drag and drop, okay? You're gonna click into the widget and place it into another section, okay? For example, in the case that I want to move this widget to the top section. In the case that I want that the widget goes away, I can simply click into the X button. This is gonna make the widget disappear. I can click into this gear icon to change the layout, for example, changing the amount of columns. I can change, for example, for 3 columns. Or maybe for 2 columns, according to your needs, okay? Or in the case that I want to go back to 4 columns, all I have to do is click into the plus button and enter a new widget, okay? You can enter a footer menu, an HTML, or you can place widgets into the widget section on the WordPress dashboard. But basically, this is how you customize the widget location. For example, right here we have the copyright footer, and into the right side we have the social icons. I can move the social icons next to the copyright and move the copyright to the other side, just like this, for example. Or I can move it more, maybe like this. And in the case that you want, you can also click into the gear icon to customize the amount of columns into the copyright footer as well. Just remember that after doing your change, you always have to hit the publish button to save the change. And in the case that you want to place more widgets, hover mouse over appearance, click on widgets, and find the sections, okay? For example, footer, widget 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can click into this plus button to add some blocks and more widgets with extra options, okay? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the visualmodel.com portfolio of amazing plugins, themes, and templates. And I see you guys later. All the best!